Onduline Lightweight Roofing Systems. Welcome to Onduline Double Roofing Instructional Video using Onduvilla Tile. Have you heard about double roofing? Now you do! This video will give you a step-by-step on how the system works. Double roofing is an innovative concept that addresses the issue of changing your whole roof. With this system, you don't need to dismantle your old roof. But how this double roofing works? You will need the following tools: saw, electric screwdriver, measuring tape, a pen, cutter, rivet. Safety essential in the workplace. A complete safety uniform is usually recommended. Materials: hat-type battens, tech screw, Onduband, Onduline speedy screw, Onduvilla Tile. Secure checklist on different areas such as roof rust level, structure, purlin type, termite penetration. How bad is the leaking? Before getting started, check the structure and evaluate the condition of the roof. Trusses and existing purlin. Onduline products are recommended either full deck or discontinued structure with a roof slope of at least 15 degrees. Measure the slope. Inspect the existing purlin spacing with a roof slope of at least 15 degrees. Install main support battens vertical to existing purlins using tech screw 2.5 size. Depends on actual existing GI profile. Use ordinary screw or verify if wood or steel frame. For horizontal battens, if the roof is 15 degrees and up, 32 cm purlin spacing. First and second purlin spacing should be 27 cm. Use a rivet gun to attach the horizontal battens. Follow Onduline insulation spacing. If the roof is 15 degrees and up, 32 cm purlin spacing. First and second purlin spacing should be 27 cm. Use a string line or steel tape measure to double check the correct interval. Attach rubber fillers by using a rivet gun. First, sheet installation. Check proper fit with the rubber fillers. Use a steel tape to measure a distance of 8 cm. Maximum overhang. First, sheet installation. Screw applications: 5 screw per tile. If the roof is 15 degrees and up, 32 cm purlin spacing. Start fixing sheets at the opposite end of the roof from prevailing wind. From side overlap, 1 corrugation. Start fixing sheets at the opposite end of the roof from top overlap of 8 cm. Check side overlapping and cut Onduvilla accordingly. Fix the second row with top overlapping. Screw the edges using Onduline speedy screw. Install the verge. Attach Onduband accordingly. attach the ridge. Minimum ridge overlap would be 22 centimeters or 220 milliliters. Check for any imperfections. That's how you easily install Onduline Onduvilla Tile using our double roofing system. For cost-efficient, time-saving, unique, rust-proof, and wind resistance benefits, double roofing is the solution expert.